Hey guys, quick update video here. Hope you're having a great week. It's finally Friday. As usual, we are having another beautiful day here in Southern Ontario. So let's talk about Bitcoin. As you can see here, the current price is 111,404. A lot of you are probably wondering what happened this morning. There was a lot of volatility. Well, in the US, they had their jobs or unemployment report come out. It was expected to be at 3.4, and it did actually come in at 3.4. Which means the unemployment rate in the US is going up, but that's usually bullish for risk assets, because that means that Jerome Powell will be reducing rates in a couple of weeks from now. So currently the Bitcoin price is 111,404. This morning we did actually have a bit of a pump, and then when the news came out, market manipulation and liquidity hunting occurred. Bitcoin went all the way back down to just above 109. Close to 110, and it is slowly going back up. As we can see here, the support line that we have at 111,789, it bounced off that, was rejected. We did go above it, close to 114, just over 113.5, and we've been rejected back down once again. So that's not great news, but at least we are holding around this 111, 112 range. With the weekend here, shouldn't see too much volatility. We might see a little bit of price action on Monday, or Sunday night, sorry, and then Monday. And keep in mind as well, we still have a CME gap at about 115, and they tend to fill, so that means we could go up in the short term. So that's the Bitcoin price there. I also wanted to show the liquidation map. Here it is. For the Bitcoin overall through all exchanges, the 30-day, as you can see, the leverage is still quite heavy in the on the short end, which means if the manipulators decide to take that liquidity, it will pump the price up. As you can see, what are we at, like 18.5 billion or so to the top side, up to about 124,000, which was the previous all-time high. So we'll see if that happens. It could create some short squeezes and then pump the price up more, but hopefully that occurs next week and not on the weekend, because usually when that happens on the weekend, price will come down early the following week. So Monday, Tuesday would have a bit of a correction. We don't want that. Let's take a look at the altcoin index. We'll give that a refresh, and we are sitting at 59. Yeah, we're sitting at 59 currently, and as you know, if we get above 75, that will indicate that we are getting close to an altcoin season. So we're not quite there yet. So we'll go back to the Bitcoin price. And I guess I actually wanted to show one other thing before I end the video. Down here, we are still in the descending channel on Bitcoin, as you can see here. We did drop out. We found support at that 107 range, went back into the channel, but then got rejected off of the 50% mark, and then came back down. But we are going back up. We're right about that 50% mark now. If we can break above that and maybe even come to the top side of the channel around 115 or so, that would close that CME gap that I talked about. And then if we can actually break out of this and then have a retest, we could be off to the races. We'll have to wait and see what's in store for Bitcoin. We do, as I mentioned, we do have the rate cuts coming in just under 2 weeks. And, initially that seems to be bearish in the market. Prices tend to go down. But rate cuts in a bull market don't happen very often, so it could be exactly the opposite. We could actually have a pump from it. But either way, we're in pretty good shape. I mean, things are just going sideways. Altcoins are taking a bit of a hit, but keep in mind that at least Bitcoin is kind of maintaining. It's not really going down too much or going up too quick. So we'll have to see how that turns out. Anyway, have a great weekend. I'll do an update on the weekend if I can, doing some things with the family. But yeah, don't forget to get outside, touch grass, like and subscribe to the channel too as well. And if you want to see any more long form content, let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section down below, and enjoy your day. Take care, everyone.